So Mr. Kumaraswamy, with his wisdom, has agreed that something wrong has happened and theft has happened. It is a theft of power.
In a swift response to the Karnataka Congress's explosive accusation of the electricity theft against former Chief Minister HD Kumaraswamy, officials from BESCOM visited Kumaraswamy's residence to investigate the alleged illegal connection from an electric pole to Diwali lights. Amidst the unfolding controversy, INC Karnataka had tweeted a video asserting that Kumaraswamy's JP Nagar residence was unlawfully connected to the Diwali lights directly from an electric pole, labeling the situation as a tragedy where a former CM had allegedly fallen victim to electricity theft. In a series of tweets, INC Karnataka questioned Kumaraswamy's actions, citing the government's provision of 200 units of free home lighting and raising doubts about applying for the Griha Jyoti Yojana while resorting to what they termed as a cheap theft. In response to the allegations, HD Kumaraswamy took to X, formerly Twitter, expressing regret for the incident and offering an explanation. He clarified that a private decorator had connected electricity from a nearby pole for testing Diwali lights while he was away in Bidadi's garden. Kumaraswamy promptly removed the connection upon his return and connected the electricity from the meter board of the house. He further criticized INC Karnataka for what he deemed as sensationalizing the incident for publicly and expressed concern about the party's petty mentality. Kumaraswamy vehemently denied embezzling state property and affirmed his readiness for any action by BESCOM. Deputy Chief Minister DKShivakumar also responded to the controversy.
See, I just watched it on the TV. I had not known about it. So after watching the TV, even my social media team, naturally 24 hours they will also be watching. When the media itself has made an investigation, it is the bound duty of any political party to explore and bring it before the public eyes. So Mr. Kumaraswamy, with his wisdom, has agreed that something wrong has happened and theft has happened. But it is Kumaraswamy's house. So he is accountable, he is responsible, and he has admitted the fact. And he has admitted that he is going to pay the fine. But the law will take its own course. I don't want to comment on that. There are officers. When he has accepted he is going to pay the fine. It is a theft of power. He is speaking on our guarantee of 200 units. If he was below 200 units, he would have got free. But I don't know whether he is speaking on our guarantees also. So let me comment on that at a later stage. But the law is one for everyone.
The incident has injected tension into Karnataka's political landscape, with accusations and counter-accusations escalating between the Congress and the former Chief Minister. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Sala Digital.